Hello guys, welcome to Parmesan 3-4, and the time right now is 9:05 p.m. This is a bit of interesting video because I was at a Goodwill, and I just spotted this clock, right? And my mom was happy enough to get it to me. I mean, she was nice enough to get it for me. And this thing is vintage indeed. As you can hear it ticking right there. A 31-day chime. It's made by Waltham, and it has one of the Tempest Fusion things on top. I looked at it online. It's like $190 or $100 online. This thing is very nice, and plus tax is like $40. And as you can see, there's the pendulum right there. I'm gonna record what it sounds like when it hits 9:30, so you can hear the chime at least one time, but. I don't know what year it was made. I know this is made in China. I know there's some that made in Korea and things like that. But it's a legit clock because you have to wind it up with a key, and it doesn't take any electrical or anything like that. There might be a battery. But the only thing I know is that it's straight up mechanical. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what it's about this tall. I'm gonna show you what it sounds like.